is me, Molecular Molly, and I am just popping in today to give you some tips and tricks to putting together this week's Take Home Your Robot Hand. So, mad scientists, when you first open your robot hand package, there will be three things. Number one, the shape of your robot hand. Number two, this bundle of fingertips and rings on strings. And finally, this set of springs. Now you'll see your fingertips and coils both seem like they're all twisted and knotted, but they're easy to take apart. First, take this bundle of fingertips, find all the ends with those knots. Here they are. Right there. And then gather the bundle of fingertips in the other hand and just pull apart slowly. The knot comes undone. With the coils, just like a screw, when you turn them a certain way, they will unwind from each other. Take a string, take a spring, attach the top, give it a little twist, and wind it up until the string falls all the way through the whole spring. Like that, right down the center. Once you guys have assembled all of those fingers, all you gotta do is take each one at a time, slip it on to any of the thumb or fingers, and then eventually you've got all 5 rings to operate this monster of a hand. Good job, guys. Way to stick in there. I know it could be tricky.